So what is up people, welcome to my channel Dr. Crazy Science. In today's video, I will be doing a quick start guide on the Zoom meeting app and I'll be teaching it to you from the beginning to the end. Before that, if you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe and also press the bell notification so you won't miss any of my future videos. So let's get started. First, go to any web browser and download the app. For that, just go to your search bar and type Zoom and search it, and then you will be getting a link. The first link, click it, and then you will be looking at the user interface of the Zoom website. So there are some features also which are given, and it's mentioned why that you should use Zoom and stuff, so you can read it for yourself. And there are more options and stuff. So now let's see the pricing and the plans. So there's a free version with another pro version, and there's a business version with the enterprise version, and below there's another version for the phone. So when you go back from the website, you will find another option in the top right corner as a request a demo. You can try that too. And now let's go and download the app. I'll also put the link in the description. And after entering into the download page, download the first option, which is called Zoom Client for Meetings. And then let's get into the installation process. So in your PC, go to your downloads folder and then install it by clicking it. So it's so easy to install, and I have already installed it, so I won't be installing it once again. So then after you open it, you will be finding an option called join a meeting or sign in. Click on the signing, and in the bottom left right corner you will be finding an option called sign up for free. Click on it, and then you can do the process from here on. And then after creating an account, go enter your email and password. You can also sign in with the some other options given on the right, but before that, just go and sign in by putting your email and password. So once done, go and click on the sign in option. And then you will be taken to the app, which is an open page, and you'll be finding some other options. We'll see that later. First of all, I'll be teaching you about the settings in this app, and on the on-screen you'll be finding the date and the time. But first of all, now let's go and check the settings. Go to the settings option, and in this side you will be finding some major options like general, video, audio, share screen, chat, virtual background, recording, profile, statistics, feedback, keyboard shortcuts, accessibility, and you can change them to whatever preferred settings you want. You can go and check that out also. And finally, we'll go and check into the main part, which is going to be the new meeting, join, schedule, and share screen option. So first of all, go to your new meeting, and in this, when you click it, you will be finding an option called an on-screen pop-up. So go to your computer audio and click the option which says join with computer audio. So what this does is it will also collect the sound from your computer and it will share it, but it won't collect the mic or whatever you're talking in the outside. And on the top left corner, you will be finding an option all about the ID, the password, the meeting and all. And on the top right corner, you will be finding an option called the full screen option. And on the bottom left corner, you will be finding the mute and unmute mic option. Next to it, there will be an arrow. You can check the microphone which is set, and the speakers also. There are some options to test the speaker and microphone, or switch to phone audio, or leave computer audio, and more audio settings. Go try that out and find which is the best for you. You can also test the speaker sound and the microphone volume, so go try that also. And then there'll be an option called start video. So in my PC I don't have any webcam, so it is unable to detect any camera. and then you'll be finding a security option, which includes some options called lock meeting, enable waiting room, and allow participants to share screen, chat, rename themselves, some other options. Then you will find an option called manage participant. When you click on that, you will find another small window opening, and you can check who the participants are. And then you will find another option called chat. So this is the Zoom group chat. So when you type a message, it's gonna go for everyone, or you can select for whom the message to go, and you can even do that. And then there is another option called share screen. So you can also share the screen in this app, like examples, my programs is on. So click on the program, and you can see this is being shared by me to the viewers of my meeting. And there are some other options on the top which are the same, and then you can also stop share. And if you want to go and add more app, for that you have to open it first. So I'm gonna go and open Microsoft Word, and then now it's in a blank document. And when you go and click on the share screen option, as you can see, the Word is in my background. So when you click the share screen option, there'll be another the Word option also will be shown, and you can also share the Word, and it will get shared. And you can then later you can stop the share, and there are some features also up. And next, there'll be a record feature, which you can record the whole meeting to your computer or to the cloud. And then there's a reaction option, which it's like a thumbs up and clap emojis. And then more, which says live on Facebook, live on Workplace by Facebook, and live on YouTube. And finally, there's an option called end meeting. So you can end the meeting for all, or you can leave the meeting. I'll choose end meeting for now. So the next option which we are going to see is join. So by clicking this join, you can join a meeting. For that, all you have to do is click on the join meeting, and you can enter the meeting ID or the personal link name, and then enter your name. And there are some other options like do not connect to audio or turn off my video. So you can do these and join the meeting as easy as that. And then the next option is gonna be the schedule option. So by scheduling by this schedule option, you can schedule meetings. So all you have to do is click on the schedule option, and then you will find the topic, and you can choose whatever, you can type whatever topic you want, and the date to start, and also the time when to start it, and the duration. So if you want less than 1 hour, so there are some hours. If you want less than 1 hour, you can go to the minute section and choose, for example, 45 minutes and stuff. And below that, you will have the time zone. And then you have the meeting ID, which can be generated automatically or your personal meeting. And below that, you will find the password option. So if anyone wants to join to your meeting, they should enter the password if it's on, or if it's off, they can join it for free. And then below that, you will find the video option, that the host can be on or off, and the participants can be on or off. And below that, you will find the audio option, and make it set to telephone and computer audio. And then below this, you will find the calendar option, and under that you will find some advanced option. So make sure you enable waiting room if you want, or enable join before host. You can choose whatever you want. And then all you have to do is schedule the meeting, and it will get scheduled. So I have taught you what share screen is, so I won't be touching it now. So then let's go to the chat section. So here you can go and just do a quick chat with your colleagues or staff. And then there'll be a meeting option, so you can see your upcoming meetings or your done meetings and stuff. And then there's a contact option, so you can see how many contacts you have and manage it. And then you can click on your profile, and you can choose whether you want to make it available or away or do not disturb the profile, and you can also sign out by clicking on the profile. So that's all about the quick start guide on the Zoom meeting app. So if you really enjoyed it, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and also click the bell notification so you won't miss any future videos. And as always, see you guys in the next one.